Ka Sarkar NDA hapo kajingelam jong Prime Minister Narendra Modi hane kesngi kela sam yak shithi thungkam syaki sanpway hajar tam ki samla ha kylleng saudong jong kari India mat ha gani kesngi ro lapen long ya keju ke program ha ba menteri jong Sarkar pedeng upabitra Margareta ula sam yak shithi thungkam syaki arspa nyongut ki nong tepkam ha ba lapen long hanong ba shillong kani ka longro kajing temu da ka ba pen scam ya kajing angnut jong Sarkar ban pentikna ba amdon mano ba sadin ha kajing ya lenti jongki sya ka roy kapar menteri rang badu kari Narendra Modi ula banjur da ka ba ong ba baro kinong song snong khamtam ki samla ki dai ban kiu ha ka roy kapar bat kajing kiu jongki ka longro kajing kiu jong kari India.
So I'm so delighted, happy and proud to be present here in the Rozgar Mela organized in different places, 40 different places of India, and here in the beautiful state of Meghalaya, in the capital city of Shillong also, hundreds of successful youth have assembled and they took the appointment later, and it's really, I'm really proud and so happy to see that each and every candidate, their guardians, and people in general also are appreciating the moves taken by the government led by Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji. It is unprecedented because at a single day, at the same time, more than 51,000 of appointment letters are being distributed to the successful candidates, the youths, and moreover, I must say that these youths are so encouraged and empowered today, especially listening to the Honorable Prime Minister who addressed the youth, the successful candidates, as well as their guardian and the people in general. उन्होंने बोला परमादरणीय प्रधानमंत्री जी ने कि हम सेवक हैं शासक नहीं. You are here to contribute for nation building, and he also encouraged the youths, the new stakeholders in the government, that they are they are in the government during the phase where the nation is marching forward for a big shit Bharat. So really it's a very glorious and happy moment for each and every citizen of India. 51,000 jobs in a single day. And moreover, not only the central government, even the state governments, where the NDA governments are serving, there also we have seen the lakhs of jobs are being created and distributed. Moreover, there is no any controversy which we used to see during previous governments, but as a member of this ministry, as a well-wisher, as a citizen of this country, I'm really, as a citizen of India also, not as being a minister, as a citizen of India also, I do take pride that yes, this happens in India because it is new India marching towards the path of prosperity.
Sir, my question is Narendra Modi and see, will help in solving Indo-China problem? Will China?
So it's a international issue, and definitely I will appreciate if our respected media will follow the statements reiterated by our ministry spokesperson. So there is nothing new to discover, nothing invented yet. So what is being reiterated by our ministry, that can be followed. Thank you.